I think about this garden as a gift. A large group of Japanese Americans who used to help the city of Gresham, they went to Johnson Creek and with their wheelbarrows, they brought back 5,000 river rocks and did this all by hand in putting this garden together to give to Gresham. It's a beautiful gift.
In 2011, when we began to restore the garden, it became a labor of love. Today we see the results of that effort. The oranges and deep reds, the bright yellows. The number one word that I constantly hear is beautiful.
During a time when there's a lot of hate in this world, it's a nice place for everybody. No matter who you are, how old you are, where you come from, you bring your story with you and you come and you can find comfort because it's a park for everybody.
This is Gresham.
And this is our story.